Hello everyone, today's my topic is queues. Queue is a linear data structures that follows first in first out. For example, a queue of people waiting for the tickets, a queue of people waiting for that parking or something else. The representation of queues is using simple single dimensional arrays. There are two partitions, two indications, front and rear. From the rear side we insert the elements into the queue, and the front side we delete the elements from the queue. This is the represented basic operations of queue. The basic operations of queue is NQ and DQ. NQ means enter the value into the queue, DQ means delete the value from the queue. For example, NQ of 10. So we insert the NQ of 10 from the rear side. So one by one we insert the elements, from the front side we delete the elements. That's why we are using DQ of 10. First we delete the from the front node. Next, coming to the algorithms of NQ and DQ algorithms. First we need to check the whether the queue is full or not. If the queue is full, it returns the overflow condition. Otherwise, it enters into the value into the queue. If that DQ algorithm, first we need to check the queue is empty or not. If the queue is empty, then it displays the underflow error and it will be exited. Then otherwise, it will be deleted one by one from the front side elements. Next, coming to other operations, peek. It returns the value, which value is the present, which key is the present at the front place without deleting that element. Next, coming to is empty, is full. Is empty, we checks for checking for the queue is empty or not. Is full for checking the full or empty queue is full or not. There are two implementations of queue. By using the array based implementation and by using linked list implementation. Array implementation is like index values from 0 to 1. There are two indications like front and rear. Next, coming to the linked representation, it becomes two using single linked list. There is data part and address part. Two different indications, head and tail or front and rear conditions.